while we stay with these images, I'm not too sure about the images that we're taking right now, but I'll just take you through these images outside the TDP parliamentarians' residence, where the security has also been tightened right now, as it's anticipated that the TDP chief is going to come any time now, is what we are being told. While I'll also take you through some more details that is emerging from all the camps right now. Back-to-back meetings that is going to take place. Now, number one, as these images of the Prime Minister submitting his resignation to President Murmu on your screens, that's the latest image coming in from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. In fact, a statement has also been made. The Prime Minister has tendered his resignation, and in fact, this is what the Press Secretary to the President has just put out, the statement that has come in, that the Prime Minister has met the President. He has tendered his resignation. Now, that's along with the Council of Ministers. The President, in fact, has accepted his resignation and has requested the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers to continue till the time the new government basically assumes office. That's the latest that we are picking up at this point in time. Also, the second aspect is with regards now, politics also now being played on this entire matter. In fact, the Congress suddenly seems to be in action, saying that it's the caretaker Prime Minister. Remember, that's essentially a protocol and that's the usual practice once the dissolution takes place and before a new government is actually formed. But there too, once again, you've had the opposition parties playing politics on this entire matter, raising questions about what they see, what they claim is a mandate against the Bharatiya Janata Party. But if you take a look at the numbers that have essentially come in, the BJP alone has a number which is higher than the India put together. Now, that's the current status. But despite that, there appears to
भी खेला हो सकता है और बहुत समीकरण बदल सकते हैं।
अच्छा, वो बोलने दीजिए। प्रधानमंत्री जी जल्दी शपथ लेंगे। अभिनंदन, धन्यवाद।
तेजस्वी जी लेकिन कह रहे हैं कि नीतीश जी बड़ा फैसला ले सकते हैं, साथ में दोनों फ्लाइट में भी हैं।
नीतीश जी ने अपनी बात क्लियर कर दी है, चंद्रबाबू जी ने भी क्लियर कर दी है। अब हताश लोग बोलने दीजिए। धन्यवाद। चलिए, बिल्कुल इंटैक्ट है, बिल्कुल।
Well, a lot of speculations that are doing the rounds, and the Indy suddenly hoping that they would be in some position to form the government by simply putting out reports that they have been in touch with Chandrababu Naidu as well as Nitish Kumar. Both the reports have been completely denied by both the factions, essentially indicating that they are not in touch with the Indy camp. In fact, saying that they're firmly with the NDA. As images now come in of the Prime Minister going to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. On the other side, we get to more details of the crucial NDA meeting that's going to take place.